Folks, I am in Kisii town and let me show you one Airbnb that you can always, stay whenever you come to these sides of the country. Kisii CBD. So this Airbnb is right behind Quickmart Supermarket in Kisii. Can you imagine? So you can always just take a stroll across the road, go to Quickmart, buy one or two things, shopping pale, kuja utulie home, you prepare your food, you enjoy your drinks. They have got gardens kule chini. I'll show you all of that. Let us go. Sup. Very well, so you come through that gate. You know, if you're coming with your car, well, you have got some parking, ample parking. So yenye nimekuja nayo leo ndo hii hapo. Even that car, by the way, it is on the market for sale. Suzuki Jimny. You can just Google Suzuki Jimny, the features, uangalie pale kwa mtandao, and then you can always call me on 0791 422, sorry, 0791 055 678. You can always call me on that number if you are interested in this Jimny. Now, for the Airbnb, I'll give you the number to call. But first, let's have a look of this beautiful home. All right, so it is a three-bedroom home, and there we have it. I just stepped onto the lounge. There it is. It has got this 6-seat, very comfy couch. This is my third time here. Whenever I'm coming to Kisii, I always call these guys now and be, hey, these dates, book for me the Airbnb, okay? Now, you notice on the walls, you have got those like executive or unique decors, if I may say so, okay? There is no wall that is just bare in this home. So the host of this Airbnb actually deals with decors. So you can call the number on the screen and they can send you a catalog of the decors that they have, and you can just choose to from their catalog for the decors that you want to also put them in your home. Just look, it is just beautiful. Everywhere you turn, there is something that catches your eye. Sindio, even right here. Sit long, talk much, laugh often. All right, so this is the lounge. I just pull back like that. And then you have got our dining area, right there for 4. There's even a library, right there. If you love reading books, there is a book that you'll grab from there, obviously, and unaweza soma. Okay, so TV iko hapo, sijawasha, but there it is. I'll turn it on baadaye. And then you have got even internet, the Wi-Fi gadget iko pale. So the kitchen is on this side right here, full kitchen, if I may say that. Everything, refrigerator, dispenser, cooker, the microwave on that far end. So you can cook, you can buy food, you come, you warm, you store your food for long stays, etc. And of course, hata sukari iko hapa. So at least ukifika, maybe umefika usiku sana, you can even start with kahawa pale. There are utensils and na kuna zingine bado in store. All right. Si hapo tumemaliza sasa pale in the lounge pale, the kitchen, and now this side we go to the bedrooms. There we go. Okay, but before I check out any bedroom, this is the the common washroom. Right here, this is the bath. Okay, and the washroom, the toilet, is on this other door huku. All right, you can see, huku ni mambo executive. This is an executive Airbnb in the heart of Kisii town. Okay, CBD. Okay, there you have it. Wow, look at that. Very beautiful setup pale. So this bedroom comes with a 5x6 bed, which is a queen bed, and you can see, the way, they just set it up like proper hoteliers, Pay attention to the walls again. There is no wall that is just bare. There is just something, that catches your eye on every wall. Sindio? All right, so mpaka hapo, let me take you to the other bedroom. So your dirty clothes, dirty linen, unarusha hapo ndani. Okay, many are used to the plastic, but look at that one. Very unique. I told you the guy wa huku, he has got a taste for interior design. So hata vitu zake, his furnishings, they are very unique. They stand out. So this is the other bedroom here. So I don't know which one you'll choose to be your master bedroom, but for me, I always use this one as my master bedroom. Okay, so there it is, and wardrobes kule mwisho, the decors again on the wall. Look at that, So I'll leave the number on the screen for the host here, or for the guy who will contact if you want the decors. Okay, because they even have a shop. So I'll leave the number of their shop, so you can always call. They'll send you a catalog. Then una choose some of the decors kutoka pale. so that you can also add something. You can also beautify your walls. Sindio? All right. Namna hiyo, you can see the bedrooms are pretty spacious. Then this one on the far end, it's kind of like, the small one, but comes with a 4x6 bed. There it is again, beautiful setup, different theme, even with the beddings pale. Every room has got a different theme, if you're keen on that. Sindio? All right. So 3-bedroom in the heart of Kisii, behind Quickmart Supermarket. And you can see how beautiful this home is. Whenever I'm coming to Kisii, I always come to this Airbnb. All right. So even you, if you're planning a trip to Kisii, or whenever you're on this side, just call the number on the screen, and you can always come and stay here. They can give it to you as a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom. That is the entire home. And I remember, I think I told you about the gardens, which are down there. So once you are, you feel like going outside, stepping outside, well, you can always go to the gardens pale. Like right now, I just arrived. My family washaenda kule. They're just catching up and just stretching kidogo. Tumekaa kwa gari sana from Nakuru to Kisii. Yep, it's been quite some journey, like 200 kilometers. So ndo wale wako pale chini wanatulia, na mimi sasa nishawaonyesha mahali ambapo hata nyinyi mkiwa Kisii, you can always use this Airbnb. CCTV iko behind Quickmart, great location, like I told you. Yeah. Now, this vehicle here is also on sale. So as of the time you are watching this video, this is a Suzuki Jimny 660cc with turbo. Nimetoka Nakuru na 4 hours. All right, so ina perform to like a 1500cc car. And then what else? It comes with a 16-inch alloy rims pale. It has got good clearance pale. It is just for 4 seats 4. Saizi kona vitu ndani, but I have another video that I prepared for this Jimny. So if you are seeing this Jimny on this video, just call the number on the screen again. Tell me, Suzuki Jimny. All right, so that's it from Kisii. Now, let me put the camera down and start having fun. Right.